Are you looking to save money on mortgage interest and pay off your home loan years faster? Or maybe you'd like easy access to your home equity for renovations or emergencies without the hassle of applying for new loans. If you're a Canadian homeowner or soon to be homeowner, I'm here to share how Manulife One could be the perfect fit for you. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down one of the most misunderstood lending products in Canada. And by the end, you'll understand what it is, how it works, and why more and more Canadians are taking advantage of this unique mortgage structure. If you're like many Canadians, you have money constantly coming in and going out of your checking account. Your paycheck arrives and then bills, credit card payments, car loans, and that big mortgage payment all swoop in to claim it. You probably have a checking account for daily expenses, a savings account for rainy days, and a mortgage to pay down. This is how most Canadians structure their banking. Here is the problem. While your income and savings sit in the bank earning some interest, your mortgage and debts are charging you interest. It's like having one bucket filling with water while another is leaking money. Two separate systems working against each other. What if there were a way to simplify this, to have your money automatically reduce your debt and cut interest costs without you lifting a finger? What if every dollar you earned immediately went toward lowering your mortgage balance so that you only pay interest on what you owe? You could potentially save thousands of dollars in interest and become mortgage-free years sooner. Manulife One is an all-in-one mortgage and banking product that lets you combine your mortgage with your bank accounts, short-term savings, income, and other debts into a single account. Because everything is in one place, every dollar that you deposit into the account immediately goes towards reducing your overall debt. Your money doesn't just sit in a checking account doing nothing. In Manulife One, it's actively working to lower your balance. Every dollar of your pay or savings that you deposit automatically knocks a dollar off your debt, so you owe less and therefore accrue less interest. It's a concept known as interest offsetting. Your positive balances offset your negative balances. And don't worry, this doesn't mean that your money is gone forever into the mortgage. Your money is still accessible anytime for your needs. Manulife One works like a regular bank account too. You can use a debit card, pay bills online, or with a mobile app, write checks and withdraw cash from an ATM whenever you want. The difference is until you spend that money, it's reducing your loan balance and saving you interest. In a regular mortgage setup, you've got two separate buckets. One is your checking account where your income goes in. The other is your mortgage, which slowly leaks money out as interest. These buckets don't interact until your mortgage payment scoops water from the checking account bucket and pours it into the mortgage bucket. That water being transferred, part of it fills up the mortgage debt, that's your principal, and the rest drains away as interest. But with Manulife One, you don't need two buckets. Everything flows into one combined bucket. So now when income flows in, it immediately pushes the water level higher. That means more of your debt is covered, less interest leaks out, and you start paying down your principal faster. If you keep depositing more than you spend, the water stays high, the leak slows down, and eventually your mortgage is gone and you are mortgage free. So now that we know the concept, let's walk through how it works day to day for a homeowner. Income deposits reduce your mortgage. Say it's payday. Instead of depositing your paycheck into a normal checking account, you deposit it into your Manulife One account. Instantly, your mortgage balance drops by the amount of your paycheck. For example, if you had a $300,000 mortgage balance and you deposit $2,000 of your income, your balance immediately goes down to $298,000. You now only owe interest on $298,000 instead of $300,000. Your deposit doesn't permanently pay off that $2,000. Rather, it's reducing the balance while it stays in the account. when you need to pay bills or expenses, you'll withdraw or transfer money out of the account as you normally would. At that time, the mortgage balance will increase again by the amount that you spend, but here's the key. During the days or weeks that your money stays in the account, before you spend it, it is actively lowering your debt and interest. Even if it sits there for a few days, that's a few days of interest savings. Over a month and a year, this adds up. Unlike some traditional mortgages that calculate interest semi-annually, Manulife One uses a simple interest method calculated on your daily balance. This means every day your balance is a bit lower thanks to those deposits, you accrue a bit less interest for that day. All those little daily savings means your next month's interest bill is smaller than it would have been. In short, the more and longer you keep money in the account, the less interest you pay that month. If you get paid on the 1st and pay all your bills on the 15th, for example, those 2 weeks of your income sitting in the account are 2 weeks of interest you did not have to pay on that portion of your mortgage. So now that we know how the Manulife One works, let's walk through the 5 key benefits. Number 1, save on interest with Manulife One. Every dollar that you deposit helps to reduce your mortgage balance, which means you pay less interest. If your mortgage rate is 5% and you leave $10,000 in the account, it's like that money is earning you 5% by cutting the interest costs. Over time, that can save you thousands and help you pay off your mortgage faster. Number 2, flexibility in payments. Manulife One lets you pay as much or as little as you want with no penalties for extra payments. If you win the lottery or come into a sizable amount of cash, you can drop it into the account to instantly reduce your debt. And if money's tight, you can slow down and just cover the interest for a while, giving you breathing room when you need it most. Number 3, access to home equity. Manulife One includes a built-in line of credit. So as you pay down your mortgage, that equity becomes available for emergencies or opportunities. If you need money fast for repair, renovation, or investment, you can access it instantly. No new applications, no waiting. You only pay interest on what you use, and it costs nothing to keep that safety net available. Number 4, simplicity and convenience. Instead of juggling multiple accounts, Manulife One puts everything in one place: banking, savings, and your mortgage. You still use your debit card and online banking like normal, but now your money helps reduce debt while it sits. Every transaction directly impacts your loan balance, so you always see the big picture. Fewer accounts, fewer headaches. And number 5, customizable with sub-accounts. If you want part of your mortgage at a fixed rate, Manulife One lets you create sub-accounts like mini fixed rate loans inside your main account. You get the stability of predictable payments on one portion and the flexibility of a variable rate on the rest. It's perfect if you want more control or need to track certain expenses separately. It's mortgage customization your way. By now, the benefits of Manulife One sound pretty exciting, but to truly reap the rewards, you have to use the account wisely. Here are some tips and things to keep in mind. Make sure your paychecks and other income go straight into your Manulife One account. The sooner your money lands there, the sooner it starts shrinking your interest costs. Most people set up automatic direct deposit so they never miss a beat. Use Manulife One like your regular checking account for everyday spending and bills. The more money you run through it, the more time your dollars spend reducing your debt. Avoid parking cash in other accounts where it's not working for you. It is smart to keep a small emergency fund in the account, but don't leave a big savings sitting elsewhere. In Manulife One, your savings still exist, they're just quietly saving you interest. If it helps, track your emergency fund mentally or with a sub-account. Manulife One gives you flexibility, but that also means you need discipline. It can be tempting to dip into your home equity for non-essentials. Treat this account as a tool to pay down debt, not a credit card, and stick to your budget. Seeing your balances drop can be super motivating. Set small goals like paying down $10,000 and track your progress month to month. The more you put in, the more your debt goes down, and that momentum can be addictive in the best way. Manulife One usually has a variable rate and a monthly fee. It's competitive, but not always the lowest. Because you're paying for flexibility, if you don't keep much money in the account, a traditional mortgage might save you more. Run the numbers or ask a professional to see what works best for you. Manulife One is an all-in-one account that merges your mortgage with your banking. It lets your income and savings automatically reduce your debt, so you only pay interest on the remaining balance. It gives you huge flexibility to pay down your mortgage faster or slow down if needed with no penalties. It provides easy access to your home equity, acting like a built-in line of credit for emergencies or opportunities, and it simplifies your finances into one easy to manage bucket. This product has been around in Canada for quite a while, and many Canadians have used it to save thousands in interest and become mortgage-free faster. Now, is it for everyone? It works best for folks who are financially disciplined and will take advantage of the structure. If you live paycheck to paycheck with nothing left to deposit, or if you know you're tempted to borrow to spend on luxuries, the benefits will be limited or could even slow you down. But if you're someone who wants to maximize every dollar and you value flexibility, Manulife One could be a great product for you. I hope this explanation has been helpful so that you have a clearer understanding of the product. Mortgages don't have to be mystifying. With the right approach, you can make your money work harder and reach your goals faster. If Manulife One sounds like it would be a good fit for you, but you're not sure where to start, I'm here to help. As a licensed mortgage broker, I can assist you with understanding the Manulife One calculator and help you structure the account to suit your needs. Simply head to the description of this video for details on how to connect. If you want to learn more about the downsides of the Manulife One, then click this video right here.